Hi, I'm Morgan. I'm on the skincare team at Sephora.
Hey guys, I'm David with Sephora Pro.
And today we're going to talk about this month's box, which is called The Good Stuff. We've got products packed full of natural ingredients for a cleaner beauty routine. Also, this whole box is free of parabens, phthalates, and sulfates.
Now don't forget guys, there are multiple versions of each box every month, so you won't be getting all of the products that you see here today because, well, that would be over 20 products, but I'm sure you're gonna love the ones that you do get.
So the first product, sorry.
Okay guys, so we're gonna talk about some makeup. It's only kind of, well, natural that you would want some bold makeup that can actually give you the beauty looks you want, but minus some of those ingredients that you might not want, right?
Yeah.
So we're gonna dive in and take a look at some of these fantastic cleaner products that I think you guys are really gonna fall in love with how effective and beautiful they are.
So first up, we have a lipstick from Tarte. This is their Color Splash lipstick from the Rainforest of the Sea collection in the color Salt Life.
Oh, such a good color.
It's such a good color. It is this amazing rosy nude color. This was chosen by you guys on our Beauty Insider community. And I'm actually wearing this and I love it. It's hydrating, but it's still long wear, full coverage. It's gonna fill in and plump.
Even when applying it, you can see how easy it goes on. It's so hydrating on the lips. It is a beautiful, beautiful formula of a lip.
It also has antioxidant rich algae. It has marine flower extract. So this is a really good for you lip product.
Up next, we have another Tarte product, a favorite of mine.
Mine too.
So this is the Tarte Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blushes, and this is in a beautiful shade called Party. And that's right, there are 3 A's in that. That's why I had to accentuate it because it's a little bit extra. It's a fantastic shade. It's sort of a rosy neutral. Honestly, I think it's the Amazonian Clay that's in it that really allows it to last as long as it does. And also, guys, everybody gets this, so you're all gonna be able to enjoy this product. I think you guys are gonna fall in love with this one. Next, we have another fantastic product, and this is from Fresh, and this is their Sugar Advanced Therapy Lip Treatments. So there's a whole range of these.
Yeah, huge collection.
This is the shade Dream, which is a beautiful sort of pinky, rosy nude. But again, these are balms. So as you can see, guys, it's more of a tint. It's not really a lipstick per se. So this is more of a nourishing, hydrating lip balm. It is really, truly a treatment. It is filled with sugar, which is a great form of moisturizing. And it's got other natural and sort of herbal ingredients, which can help with fine lines around the lips, which who doesn't want to sort of avoid those, right? These are fantastic. Throw them in your purse. Always have it with you.
Yes. So next we have another lip product from Bite Beauty. This is the Agave Lip Mask in Natural. This is a very thick formula that's so hydrating. It's gonna smooth out your texture. It's gonna plump your lines. It has agave nectar and jojoba oil in it. So it's super hydrating. And it has this yummy Madagascan vanilla scent.
Yeah, it's a beautiful scent to it. For those people who really struggle with chapped lips, this is a surefire answer.
Exactly. I always recommend this. It'll totally transform your lips. So next, we're going to talk about skincare. We have so much to go over today, and these are all going to do a million different things. They're going to brighten, hydrate, treat, smooth, pure and simple. These will get the job done. Our first one is from Biossance. This is their Squalane and Probiotic Gel Moisturizer, and this is an amazing lightweight gel formula. It's 100% plant-derived, and it will reduce redness. It'll help minimize pores, but it is so lightweight while giving you deep hydration. I love, love, love this under makeup.
People are raving about this. I've personally never tried it, but I've been hearing so much feedback that now I feel I need to. So it's gonna go with me.
I've personally gone through probably 5 of these. I love this one.
I know you know your skincare, so I'm trusting you on that one.
So next up, we have a mask from Ren. This is their Evercalm Ultra Comforting Rescue Mask. It has white mushroom in it that's gonna immediately reduce redness from sunburn, like wind chap, jet lag, basically life.
Yeah, and it's great for sensitive or reactive skin. I know I use it because I have that, and it's really comforting on the skin.
Yeah, and it absorbs right in.
Up next, we have Caudaly's Vino Perfect Concentrated Brightening Essence. This is a great product, though sometimes I think essences can be a little confusing. So what this does is it gently removes some of the dead skin cells off the surface, and it allows all of your other skincare to penetrate deeper. There is a little bit of a glycolic acid acid in here, which helps to remove those skin cells. Plus, it's infused with their grape water, which I personally love. That's in like almost all their products.
It's so hydrating.
So hydrating. And this is a great step after you've cleansed your face, before you start your skincare routine, to really prep the skin. This makes all of your other skincare that you're using work that much better.
Yeah.
So I think it's a must in everybody's skincare routine.
I 100% agree. It's a vehicle for your skincare. You need an essence.
That's a good word. Yes, it's a vehicle for all of your skincare. Up next, we have Youth to the People, and this is their Superfood Air Whip Hyaluronic Acid Moisture Cream. And they call it that because it is filled with, as you can see on the bottle, kale, spinach, and green tea, which is like your smoothie for your face.
It's amazing.
It's filled with natural antioxidants that really help protect your skin from stressors and environmental damage. Plus, it's got a lot of hyaluronic acid in it, which we know is a super, super moisturizing agent for skin. This is just a great lightweight moisturizer. It feels really good on the skin. It makes the skin plump up, reduces fine lines, wrinkles, all that great stuff that you want. But it's really good for you, too.
Yeah. So next we have Cora Organics Noni Glow Face Oil. This is full of plant-based oils and noni extract, which is antioxidant packed. So good for your skin, but it's also going to absorb and feel weightless. So if you have oily skin, don't be afraid to try this.
It's good for you.
It's actually good for you, and it can help balance. So next up, we have a product from Pharmacy. This is their Honey Drop Lightweight Moisturizer with Echinacea Green Envy Honey. So this product's super cool. It has kupu asu beads in it.
Oh, okay. You can say that one again, because I can't.
So kupu asu is this rich, buttery ingredient that is encapsulated in these little beads, and as you rub it in, it just bursts on your skin. So it's going to give you this deep hydration, but it's so lightweight.
Up next, we have Tarte, and this is the Rainforest of the Sea Deep Dive Cleansing Gel. I use this cleanser. It's a great daily cleanser. While I'm on set and I do have to have makeup on, this is a great cleanser to remove all of the makeup, all the impurities, the oils, the dirt, anything that can get onto the skin, while leaving it supple and smooth afterwards, which is really important for me. So this can be used by any skin type. It's fantastic. It does remove waterproof makeup as well. Exactly. It's filled with tons of naturally derived ingredients, which really help to soothe the skin as well as tone it, which is really good. We know that's great for that next step of your skincare. You really want your skin soothed and toned. So this is a fantastic everyday cleanser, really easy to use.
So we have Drunk Elephant Proteini Polypeptide Cream, and this is a protein moisturizer which plumps and firms the skin and evens out the texture. This is like your protein shake in a moisturizer. You need this in your routine.
So next we have Josie Moran, and this is the Whipped Argan Oil Face Butter. This is a great daily moisturizer. It's filled with argan oil, which we know has those great essential fatty acids, vitamin E, which are nourishing and hydrating to the skin. And there's a ton of other naturally derived ingredients in here as well, which also helps with just general everything, right? I mean, this is a whipped argan oil, so it does feel more like a general moisturizer
than lighter weight.
A lighter weight than just the oil itself. So very good for all skin types. Really great soothing, hydrating, and nourishing on the skin.
So from Korres, we have the Wild Rose Vitamin C Active Brightening Oil. And this is exactly what the name says. It's packed full of vitamin C and wild rose oil, which is going to really target fine lines and wrinkles and overall the appearance of skin. Vitamin C, as we know, is a key ingredient in your skincare routine. So highly recommend this ultra concentrated formula.
So up next, we have the Algenist, and this is the Genius Liquid Collagen, which is a collagen-based serum that's actually vegan.
So incredible.
So fantastic. It's filled with these microalgae beads which penetrate into the skin and just deliver all that beautiful product, the collagen, the hydration, all those things to create a supple, beautiful, hydrated looking skin.
I love that it bursts on contact, so it's really fresh ingredients.
And you feel it. It's really, really nice and luxurious on the skin. And it smells really nice too, which is always good.
So next we're going to talk about hair care. These are plant-derived ingredients that give you hair that's full force of nature. So from Briogeo, we have their Blossom and Bloom Ginseng and Biotin Volumizing Spray. And this is really going to do exactly what it says. It's going to help increase volume in your hair. It actually has natural sugar starch that coats your strand and increases the diameter of your hair, which adds instant volume. But it also has ginger and biotin, which promote long-term hair growth. And it's good for all hair types.
Okay, guys, so it wouldn't be a play box without some great bonuses. So up first, we have Boscia Matcha Magic, and this is the super antioxidant mask. Next, we have Christoph Robin, and this is the regenerating mask with rare prickly pear seed oil. From Briogeo, we have Rosarco, and this is the Blow Dry Perfection and Heat Protectant Cream. The next one is also from Briogeo, and this is the Blossom and Bloom Ginseng and Biotin Volumizing Shampoo.
From Rawa, we have 3 options. The Freestyle Texturizer, the Colorful Hair Mask, and the Omega 9 Hair Mask. Also in your box, you have your playbook, which is full of fun tips and information about all your favorite products, as well as some fun content on the back. Look at this.
Cute.
We also have your Play Pass, which is good for 50 extra Beauty Insider points with any in-store purchase. And we know more Beauty Insider points means more samples.
Continue sharing your unboxing videos. We'd love to see them. Don't forget to comment in the section below about any of the products that you're super excited about this month. I love to read them.
Me
We
too.
love to hear the excitement and what you guys want to see. If you are posting to social media, please use the hashtag Sephora Play, because this way everybody gets to see it. And until next time, naturally, go out and have a good time. Take care, guys. Bye.
Bye.
Wait, so you, me, you,
Me.
you,
You.
me,
Me.
me, you, me. This is gonna be a do-si-do if I've ever seen one. Trim the fat, swatch, and everyone gets it.
So you got it.
Got it.
Ready? Go.
Okay, guys, so up.
In your lab, I just began.
How dare you? And this is a fantastic moisturizer.
Flawless.
Give me my check now! Now! You understand my brain? I'm sweating. I'm in a cold sweat. I feel like I'm taking the SATs and my college career depended on that.
So for hair care, sorry.
Hair care. Stop. I'm sorry.
Say it like that.
Hair care.
So it's really good for all skin types. What I love about this formula is that
And not skin types.
oh, did I say skin types? Oops.
That's why I was like, I'm not gonna giggle.
So it's really good for all skin types. What I love about this formula is that it has natural sugar starch.
As the day progresses, I get crazier. Bye!